have been faithful. All my life you have been so, so good. With every breath that I am able, oh, I will sing of the goodness of God.
Your Excellency, and the head of school, your staff, students and parents, our media partners, Nisambula Vinaka, and a very good afternoon to you all. Indeed, it's a very, very beautiful afternoon, and I think as students you are blessed to have such a beautiful school facility. And every time I drive by actually in the morning or in the afternoon, I turn my head this side. And thank God for giving me an opportunity to be here today. You know, we have 1,000+ schools. And if I started going to all those schools, then I don't know what's going to happen. But it's a pleasure to be in your school, and of course it's a very, very happy moment. 2 of your students have actually brought more pride to your altogether already prestigious institutions. And I'm sure you all are going to celebrate, or you are all celebrating the success of the achievements of the 2 students. And I'm sure the teachers, the head of school and the parents have had an equal part to play in where the students are today and the prizes they are going to receive. But first of all, students, I'd like to thank the New Zealand High Commission, Your Excellency, you and your team, for coming on board with the Ministry of Civil Service and the Ministry of Education to be part of our Fiji Day celebrations. And I think it was one of the best celebrations I have lived to see. I don't know whether I'll make it to the next 50 or not, definitely not, but I know for sure that all of you, and I pray that all of you make it to the next 50. This year's celebration was very special. As a nation, we've come a long way. And of course, what makes it more special is we dedicated this 50th Independence Day celebration to all our children. And I'm sure you received your coins? You did? None of the coins went to the canteen? On the lighter side of it. See, those coins have been specially designed for you children. The Reserve Bank informed us that started designing the coin in 2017. So it's taken us 3 years to design something unique so that you can look at it in the next 50 years. Okay, not 50, the next 25 years. And indeed, that's the first colored coin for our beloved nation. So please treasure it, okay? It has been done in your honor, because we know that you will take this beautiful and beloved country of ours further down the lane and will be part of the next 50 years journey. Another thing, I think what makes today special for me is we are ending Pinktober today, and I'm impressed to see the pink ribbons on your dresses. It's very important that as young women and girls you understand what this month of awareness means for you as well. Okay, so I'm sure your teachers are going to talk more about that. But please go home, encourage your moms, your sisters, and even yourself. You should be encouraged to know how breast cancer affects women and girls. Okay, there's no shame and there's no harm in talking about it openly. We are talking about it because we care for you. Okay, and we want all our young women and girls, of course all women, to be safe. So early detection, that's something that you must know. Self-examination, make yourself to the clinics. Okay, talk to your mothers, talk to your elders, talk to your teachers about how we can sort of do what we are supposed to do to protect our health. And thirdly, what should I say? The long weekend is coming up, and I'm sure you're looking for the long weekend. Please stay safe. Stay safe. If you're going swimming, if you're going picnic, if you're going hiking or partying, whatever. Okay, be careful. Look after your younger ones, look after your family, stay safe. We really do not want to lose any of our young lives, or any lives during this long weekend. Okay, so again, very happy to be here. I'd like to thank you. You took me back to my days when I was a student, and I just whispered to His Excellency, good Lord, how time has flown by. I was back in the classroom. I finished my, 1989, I finished high school. Don't count my age, eh? 1989, it's a long, long time when I was a student like you. And these are the days that you must treasure. This life will not come back. That uniform will not come back. The privileges that we give you will not come back. The opportunities that you have today is way more than what we had. So please make use of these opportunities. And education is the biggest gift that we as leaders today can give to you who will be our future leaders. Okay? So stay focused. You have 12 and 13 students, stay focused. Your exams are just around the corner. To the teachers, please prepare students. I know COVID has not been easy on us, but believe me, COVID has made us think a lot of things that we never thought of. It's actually made us think outside the box. It's actually made us stronger in saying, okay, we'll fight it because of the resilient spirit that we have. Okay, so we are strong. Of course, we will come out of this challenge, but for the time being, as children, please stay focused. Listen to your teachers. Listen to your parents. That's the best gift you can give to your teachers and your parents. Okay, and I'm sure the girl power, I don't have to say much. Girl power and the women power in this country is simply one and above. Yeah? So thank you very much, head of school, and thank you very much, parents. And to the teachers, thank you very much, and God bless you all.
No